Import 3D parts or assemblies for bending. Rule-based unfolding automatically calculates flat patterns. Switch views to show some or all of the press brake machined. An intelligent bend sequence is generated to avoid collisions. Easily resequence by clicking on the bends in the desired order. Manually assign other tools to bends and update the flat pattern. Optimize tool stations to reduce tool setups, turns, and flips. Simulate through various stages of each bend. AutoTool combines all programming steps into a single click. Collinear bends are combined into one shared bend. Heel tools are chosen automatically to avoid collision.